Hi, this is Nick at Atlantic Laser Scanning. Today we're going to talk a little bit about updating the firmware on your S series scanner, S150, S350. The process of updating the scanner, if you've ever gotten this error code on your scanner when you're trying to do your firmware update, that means that you're not connected to your office Wi-Fi. That is the first step in the process of updating your firmware. We're just going to go through that process really quickly, step by step, getting you set up on the internet in your office, in your home. Then the updating of the firmware is super, super simple. So just remember, anytime that you're going to do this sort of an update, have the scanner with a full battery and have the plug-in for the battery charger plugged into the back of the scanner. You open up the hatch where the battery is, and there's the plug right there. So make sure it's plugged in. It's going to suck a lot of battery on it. Once that's done, we're going to go through this process real quick and get you set up so you can easily get your firmware updated.
So we're going to start off on our opening screen with our FARO S150 scanner and go into the manage portion. And when we're looking to update the firmware on the scanner, we would go into the service portion on the bottom. Now you can see about halfway down there's a firmware update button, and you can go in here. Now, what would generally happen is you would normally try to search for updates now, which is going to give you access to the FARO's online update service. But you can't just simply jump into this part of the update process, because you've got to first get your scanner to start to talk to your Wi-Fi in your office. Right now, it's just simply set up as a Wi-Fi point, which is the normal process for your scanner if you want to be scanning in the field and connect to your phone. So first you'd have to go back into the home screen, go into manage once again, and we're going to start by going into general settings. Once we're in general settings, we can go into the WLAN option, and you can see where our network name is actually the name of our serial number for our scanner. So what we're going to need to do is change all of this around. So we're going to access point, the WLAN. Now when you look, we've got network name, which is available. So we can go in to the network name, choose the Wi-Fi that you've got in your office or your house. Once you've done that, you back out, go down to the encryption key. Once you're in your encryption key, then you would enter in your password. And once your password is input, you'd simply hit OK. Now our computer is actually going to be on our own Wi-Fi in our office by simply go to the status, enabling the WLAN. And as you can see in the top left-hand corner of the scanner, we've got our Wi-Fi icon, which is now on. Go back into the home screen, manage. Now we can come down to the service option, firmware update, and double check the server URL. You can get this from FARO, but safe to say your scanner, if it's been updated before, will have the correct URL from FARO on it. Once you've double checked that, you would simply hit the search for updates now.
And the firmware is being updated. Again, the key is you have to make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi before you even get in the process. If you have any specific questions, if you'd like to have a document walking you through this process, just go ahead and email FARO. It's support@faro.com. they'll send you a link. It's something you can print out, put in a file, or just keep on your system anytime in the future that you need to do your firmware updates. But I hope this helps. Don't be afraid to email us or give us a call if you've got specific questions on something that you're working on. And don't forget, we do rent FARO scanners. We've got them available every day. 1-800-955-3960. Thanks, and we'll see you soon. Good luck.